Students, here today we will discuss first class English. My family. Whose family? My family. Yours family. In last classes we discussed about whose family? Ammu's family. Now we write down about our family. Choose from the list and write who are there in your family. Here some circles are given here. Write down your family members. My family. Here the box given some words. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. In your family, how many members are there? Who are there? Write down only that members in circles. In my family, in my family, mother, father, brother, sister, and me. If you have in your family grandparents, then you can write down grandfather and grandmother also. Okay, in my family, father, mother, brother, sister, and me in my family. Who are there in your family? You can write down. In my family, how many members are there? 5 members. They are father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Father. 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 Mother. Mother. Brother. Sister. And me. Me. Here, my family. Tick against the people who live in your family. My family. Who are there? Against means opposite. Here, they who live without in your family. Here, grandfather. Grandfather is not live with my family in my home. They are separated. Then grandmother. Grandmother also not live with me. Tick against. Next, father, mother. Father live with me only. That's why I am not ticking here. Mother also live with me. Brother also live with me. Sister also live with me. Next, uncle. Uncle did not live with me. That's why I am tick the mark. Here, aunt also did not live with me. How many members are there in your family? In my family, they have 5 members. I put the right mark in opposite of 5 members circle. You also, how many members are in your family? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, whatever it may be, you tick that opposite circle. Okay, children, thank you for watching.